What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're here with our friend Matic. Nice little push up today, up 5%, sitting at 84 cents. We have a market cap of 7.31 billion. 24-hour volume still quite low, 282 million. If you're new to BitGet, make sure to sign up. Grab up to $8,000 in deposit bonuses. Make your first deposit, email me your sign-up email to get free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members. No VPN required for all my US traders looking for an exchange. Let's pop over to Matic. So we'll keep it simple. First here, we're starting to break out of this potential bull flag, which would give you a target of $1.63. And if you're seeing this as a falling wedge, then $1.08. So the last chance for the bears here is that we basically put in a double top and then we begin to roll over. But we are starting to break that trend line of resistance. So if we can backtest it as support, potentially you could see a larger breakout to the upside. So the bearish wave count is starting to look more unlikely here, that we came down in a 1-2. Looking to come down in a 3, and this is a wave 1 of the wave 3, wave 2 pullback, unless this was an ABC correction where you came up in a wave A, here's your wave B, and you're looking to push up in a wave C. I don't think that's likely, just due to the fact that this is a smaller wave count, and you usually wouldn't see that large of a correction, but it is possible here. Or you could potentially be looking at coming down in a wave 3, and this is a wave 1, this is a wave 2 pullback. There is potential for that as well. However, if you take your fib retracement from the top of wave 1 down to the bottom, you've already pushed past the 786, which makes it more unlikely. And if you do come up and break 86 cents, then it will invalidate that as a 1-2 setup. So we will look at the bullish wave count here, that we completed a wave 1 to the upside. We've already completed an ABC into a very, very shallow wave 2, which is hard for me to believe, but it's possible. That we came down, we almost touched the 0.382, a minimum requirement for a wave 2, and now you're going to start to push up in a large wave 3 to take you all the way up to about $1.75. And basically what you would be looking at here is a leading diagonal into a 1. This is a wave 2 pullback, and you're starting to push up in a wave 3. So potentially what I would be looking at here, oh sorry guys, for the smaller wave count, if I zoom this into the 1 hour time frame, so what you'd be looking at is a 1 into a 2, pushing up into a 3. So I'm going to make this, oh, fuck. Sorry, pardon my language. This is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we're just going to quickly change this and make it sub-micro. Hope the pets are healthy. Hope you're working towards all your goals and aspirations, as I do think that's important. All right, so this is your sub wave count, a 1 into a 2, coming up in a 3, and then for your smaller wave count, I'd be looking at a 1 right here, wave 1. This is a wave 2 pullback, and you're starting to push up in a wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. We'll change the color quickly here. Put it down to minuscule, change the color to white. Sure, let's go with white. And what you could do is take your trend-based extension from the bottom of wave 1 to the top, to the bottom of your wave 2. And you would project your wave 3. Wow, I dropped it in perfectly here. At 97 cents would be your projection for your wave 3. You say wave 4 and a final wave 5, which would complete the wave 3. And then put in a wave 4, wave 5 to potentially complete a wave 1 of the wave 3. So that's what I would be looking at here. You have your larger wave 3. Oh, let me zoom out. You have your larger wave 3 target all the way up here. Let's do a quick measurement from the bottom of the wave 1 to the top to the bottom of the wave 2. Oh wow, your wave 3 target's way up here. No way. Is that really your wave 3 target? Hold on guys, let me make sure all of this is correct here. And make sure my fibs are placed properly, because that's quite a substantial wave 3. Fibs, yeah, all looks okay. From the bottom of wave 1 to the top. I'm just going to drop it out one more time to make sure everything is correct. Bottom, wave 1 to the top. Wave 2 low. Yeah, it looks good. So your wave 3 target would be $4.39, which would break the previous all-time high. Back on December 21st was at the all-time high. Let's pop over to the daily. I believe it was. This chart doesn't go back far enough. So that wave 3 would take you all the way up to $4.39, which is very, very bullish. Personally, I think that Bitcoin is going to come down to 11, 13K. And in that case, Matic would come deeper and potentially create a lower low. But if that doesn't happen here and we do put in that impulse to the upside, then that's quite a large wave 3 target all the way up there at about $4, which would just be full-fledged bull run mode. But in the short term here, if we do come up and start to break this high, especially at 85 cents, and your wave 3 targets up here at about 97 cents for our friend Matic. All right, guys, it's looking pretty good so far. So we'll see if we can come up and break this high of 85 cents, giving you more confirmation of that bullish wave count. And as I mentioned here, the bearish count is a 1 into a 2, potentially an ABC correction, and looking to come down into a wave 3 to the downside. But this wave count is starting to look less likely and will be invalidated if we do break above 85 cents. However, it can still play out. If we get rejected, we start to come down, then you would focus on coming down in that wave 3 to the downside, of course. So that's basically it for this one. Big shout out to BitGet. Sign up, grab your $8,000 bonuses, make your first deposit, email me your sign up email, free access to my Discord, over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. And at the $10 membership, you can get my exact entries, exits, and take profits for my trades, as well as early access to my analysis. Sign up through the Patreon link, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.